It says find n if the ratio of n to 4 is equal to the ratio of 5 to 12. So just write that down. Now, ratios are just a fraction. So n to 4 you can write as n divided by 4, and then you can write that that's going to be equal to 5 over 12. And then all to find n, all we need to do is rearrange this equation. So you need to make n the subject, we'll solve it. So we times both sides by 4 because we're dividing by 4. So we're going to get that n is going to be 5 times 4, which is 20, and that's going to be over 12. And we notice that 4 goes into 12 3 times and goes into 20 5 times. So we get that n is equal to 5 over 3, or convert that into a mixed number, 1 and 2/3. So this has been a question how to simplify ratios when you are given one unknown and you're comparing two ratios. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.